Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suhas Survase and today's date is 12 January 2022. Also, our today's topic is multi-threading in Java. Basically, Java consists of a multitasking, multiprocessing and multi-threading. What is multitasking? Multitasking means to perform multiple tasks at a single time. For example, consider our system. In our system, we can play the music, also use the browser, also we can use the notepad at a single time. It is the example for the multitasking. After that, multiprocessing. In a multiprocessing, a single system is connected with the number of processors in order to perform the given task. For example, a system which is connected to number of CPUs to perform the given task. After that, we come to multi-threading. Multi-threading means to perform multiple threads at a single time. The multi-threading is basically used for the gaming applications, different softwares and the cartoon animation. For example, consider cartoon animation. If in a cartoon animation on the black screen only single character comes at a single time, then it is not interesting to see us. But when the different types of characters and the animations are come at the multiple times, it is in a combination type, then it may be enjoyable. That is, in a cartoon animation, multi-threading is used to perform the animation. That is, the different types of the number of trees, clouds, mountains and the animation characters are displayed on the screen at a particular time interval or at a same time by using the multiple threads. So the multiple threads is performed on the basis of the methods. Basically, in a multi-threading, we extend the thread class. That means the thread class becomes the parent class for our class. Also, the thread class can override the run method, inside which we can perform or provide our task. In a multi-threading, we have first we have to create the object of the thread, and we have to initialize this thread before starting the or performing the thread. That is, we have the method, that is by using the object of the thread we call this start method, which will start the method. The main drawback of the multi-threading is that in a multi-threading we cannot decide the order of the threads. That is, firstly when we run the system, it gives the different result. When we run it another time, then it also after gives the different result. That means it gives the different result at number of times. Now, the multi-threading consists of different types of methods inside that. What are these methods? Let's see. First one is a sleep method. The sleep method is used to sleep or stop the particular thread for a given time. That means when we provide a sleep for a particular method, then the method goes under sleep and gives the authority to display the next one thread. After that, priority. The priority is based is in between 1 to 10. The priority for the main method is for 5. As we says that the main method is a parent method, and our class is a child method, so that the priority of our child method is also 5. According to that, we can provide the different priorities to our methods. When we give the maximum priority, that is 10, then the first one method is goes for the displaying. Otherwise, it gives the priority for the second one method. After that, join method. When we shows or displays the join method with some method with our method, then the first one thread will be runs, and second one thread will be undergoes for the waiting. After that, we see what is synchronized methods or the synchronized class. In a synchronized method, when we synchronize the method, then the method will complete first thread, and after that it completes the second thread. It is work on the basis of the class objects which is provided to the second method. And the synchronizer class means without creating object, only using the class reference, we can make the method synchronized. After that, is domain. Is domain is used to determine whether the thread is running in a background or not. When we provide the is domain method after the start of the thread, then it does not work. We have to provide it before the start method. When we provide the start method when we provide the domain method after the start, then it gives an error or the exception. After that, the example for the domain method is that our garbage collection. The garbage collection is works on the basis of the domain. That is, when we using our system or the Eclipse software, it performs in a background processor. When we shut down our Eclipse, then or that the garbage collection will be stopped.